How do you win the game of investing when everyone is putting their money in the same stock market, mutual funds, and commodities? That's when you look for newer opportunities. And you know what? Investing in companies in their early growth phase can be a very good idea. That's how you unlock value and create wealth. But unfortunately, in its current form, investment in the private market is rife with issues. Hi, this is Revolution ReadOn, a daily podcast where we break down one story from the world of business and finance. Here's your story for today. There's a very high entry barrier for the common Indian investor. You need to have lakhs, if not crores, to be able to invest. Getting credible information about the companies in this space is a Herculean task. And even then, going through tons of data to take an investment call, who even has the time for that? Finally, did we tell you about the investment process itself? Finding a seller, discovering the right price to buy, avoiding layers and layers of middlemen and their exorbitant commissions, filling up stacks of forms, we can go on. The Private Equity Investment Club is an exclusive one and entry is difficult. So, is this a missed opportunity for retail investors like us? Or is there a way around? Don't worry, investors. Our startup of the day, Leadoff, is trying to make the space accessible and the process super simple for us. Just as public market investing has been made super easy for us, Leadoff aims to bring the same ease to private market investing. Sounds great. But how exactly is it going about the whole process? How exactly is Leadoff planning to make things simple? You see, the process of participating in the private market is very scattered. Leadoff is taking the entire process to a seamless digital infrastructure from this offline web of connections and references. From taking the decision to invest to actually getting the shares, you will be able to execute the transaction in 3 easy steps. Number 1, browse the company you'd like to invest in. Number 2, research about your chosen company with the help of in-platform research reports to make an informed decision. And number 3, pay for the shares and the shares will be transferred to your existing Demat account. But ReadOn, where do we get lakhs and crores of rupees to invest? You don't have to. Unlike the alternative investment fund or portfolio management services route, investing through Leadoff starts from 10,000 rupees. But every opportunity that empowers you also makes you responsible. Taking decisions to invest your money is no child's play. The lure of making an overnight fortune should not make you cut corners. While Leadoff is still in a quote-unquote waitlist mode, ReadOn listeners can skip the queue and join Leadoff. Check the link out in the show description. Access to private equity markets has now been unlocked. And that's your story for today. Make sure to subscribe to this podcast and not miss out on your daily story from the world of finance. Thanks for listening in. Until next time, read on.